Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Today I'm on the southern end of the strip. I'm here for a week and I'm on the southern end of the strip today to check out all of the hotels and casinos down this end. Right now I'm in the Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Gonna check it out, see what's going on. Come on with me, won't ya? I've always considered Excalibur kind of like the middle of MGM land. I call it that because, well, we're surrounded by MGM properties here on the Las Vegas Strip, the southern end. On the west side, we have Mandalay Bay, Luxor, Excalibur, which is where we are. As we continue north, we'll have New York, New York. We'll have the Park MGM. We'll have Aria, Vidara, the Cosmopolitan, which is now an MGM property, the Bellagio, all in a row, and across the street we have the MGM Grand. So lots of properties here owned by MGM. And here we are at Dick's Last Resort, a very casual, if you will, restaurant here on the Las Vegas Strip in the heart of Excalibur. Now, I've never eaten at Dick's Last Resort, and I'm sure I will eventually someday. I haven't eaten here for no particular reason. But every time I do walk through it or pass it, it seems like everyone's having a good time. The food seems to be good. Like I said, everyone seems to be enjoying their meals. There's a bar here if you want to catch a game. Very family oriented, relatively inexpensive compared to other restaurants on the strip that are like family focused. As a matter of fact, speaking of family focus, I will get into that in a moment. The Excalibur complex, the entire hotel and restaurants and everything, all very family friendly. On the side of the building, you have this area, which is the drop-off and pickup area for taxis, Ubers, and Lyfts. Not too many people see this side of the Excalibur. Here we have Tap Sports Bar. Like I said, you can stop in at Dick's and just casually pull up to the bar there and enjoy a game. They have one or two televisions, but if you're really looking to catch a few screens in more of a sporting atmosphere, Tap Sports Bar is where to go. And of course, there's a Johnny Rockets here, a personal favorite of mine when I'm looking for an inexpensive, satisfying meal. You've already seen a few bars here on the casino level, and they're actually redoing the central bar here on the casino as this video is uploaded. Nice to see MGM putting some more money into this property. Downstairs we have a huge arcade for the kids or the adults if you're into that kind of thing. There's also a ice cream place down here, as well as the theater for the Tournament of Kings. Now, as far as family-friendly hotels and casinos here in the Las Vegas Strip, you pretty much have two choices if you're bringing kids. One would be right here, the Excalibur, and the other one would be at the northern end of the strip, Circus Circus. Both properties offer family-friendly restaurants and attractions. Circus Circus has their Adventure Dome. It's near the rear of the building. It's a huge, fully enclosed amusement park, comfortable all year round. They also have the Midway, which is a large arcade area similar to this one, but they also have live circus acts scheduled throughout the day, and they're free. The biggest difference between the two properties is location, Excalibur being in the heart of everything, and Circus Circus on the northern end of the strip. Lots going on up there, but not much for the family. MGM actually owned both properties, and they sold off Circus Circus a few years ago, realizing that the two properties were similar. This one was in the better location, so this is the one they held on to. This is Buca di Beppo, a casual Italian restaurant here at the Excalibur, and I know I've used the word casual a lot here during our visit at the Excalibur. You get the idea. This is also the home to the Thunder Down Under Male Review Show, as well as the Thunder Bar. Hey guys, if you enjoy the New York channel, why not subscribe if you haven't already? And if you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. Both help the channel out greatly. Thank you so much. Here we have Lick, a candy store that's popular not only here in Las Vegas, but Atlantic City as well. And if you read the sign, it says in bold letters or bold numbers, $1.49, and then not so bold, it says per ounce. That's about a teaspoon of candy. I wonder how much candy is actually put back once customers get to the register. Someday I'm going to try the buffet here at Excalibur. From what I understand, the food's not bad, and it's really a good value. We're heading into the food court, voted the best food court on the Las Vegas Strip by me in a video about 2 years ago. Lots to choose from at this food court, and hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Remember, clicking on that button, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Speaking of which, several super thanks shout outs to John Casasi, I hope I pronounced that correctly, as well as Richard Hales and John Higgins. Thank you so much for supporting the New York channel, guys. I appreciate it. By the way, the Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur are connected via a series of pedestrian walkways as well as a free tram that takes you to the 3 properties. Hold on tight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.